Good morning, folks. This is Mary Howard with Powerline Health, offering you another episode of Essentially Yours. Today I'm going to share with you one of my evening routines, and that is to make a cup of tea. So one of my most recent favorites has been this yogi ginger tea. Ginger being a warm tea, this has actually got a mix of of different herbs in it. This has organic ginger, organic lemongrass, organic licorice root, organic peppermint leaf, and organic black pepper. And so for me, it was nice to have a tea that has no caffeine that I can use in the evening, but still has some zing. So let's see, I'm going to move this so you can see in the cup a little bit. And one of the fun things I love to do with my essential oils is to put some oils in it. Now I do like cinnamon, and I like a lot of cinnamon because it's good for the circulation and for the heart, and it's also good for regulating blood sugar. So I'm going to go ahead and put one whole drop in. Until you get used to cinnamon, you might prefer a third of a drop. So I use a whole drop. So there's our drop of cinnamon. You can also take a cinnamon bottle and mix it about 1/3 with carrier oil, like the fractionated coconut oil, and that'll make it just a really nice amount of cinnamon. And then cardamom, what's really cool, and part of why I wanted to do this with you is that the essential oils, some oils are way more potent, way stronger than others. So cardamom is so strong that we're just going to open this bottle up. We're going to take just a little bit and wipe the side of our cup with our finger like that. And that is all it takes, and you will definitely notice the taste of the cardamom in your tea. And then when I'm at home, I love to use a tea kettle that actually whistles. It's part of the evening routine for me, and it's part of that winding down thing. And then of course I like to add some stevia because we like it sweet, and this stevia is an herb that helps regulate blood sugar, and it sweetens your tea all at the same time. So that's a great thing to have. I'll stick our oils over here so you can see what those are. And then we're just going to simply add our water. I do sometimes like to leave some headspace because this is a great tea after that is steeped a little while. I'll add some milk or almond milk. Sometimes some people like to add some homemade kombucha to give it some extra probiotics. That is our evening sleepy time tea. I hope this has been helpful. That's how easy it is to use essential oils in your everyday life. Mary Howard with Powerline Health, where healthy living is the power to move mountains. We hope you will like and subscribe to our channel. I'll drop some links in the content below the video in case that would be helpful to you. Send us your comments. What's your favorite nighttime routine? And we'll talk to you soon.